we'll guide you through how to crop video in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and load the video project that you want to edit. Once your project is open, go to the edit page. You'll see your video clip in the timeline at the bottom. Click on the clip that you want to crop so it's highlighted. Now, look at the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. If it's not visible, click on the Inspector button at the top right to open it. In the inspector panel, you'll find a section labeled Transform. Here, you'll see options for cropping: crop left, crop right, crop top, and crop bottom. Adjust these sliders to crop your video to the desired size. You can manually enter values for more precision. As you adjust, the preview window will show you the changes in real time, which makes it easier to get the exact crop you want. If you need to reposition the video after cropping, you can use the position settings in the Transform section of the inspector. This allows you to move your cropped video around the frame. Once you're satisfied with your crop, you can play back the video in the timeline to see how it looks. If you're happy with it, you can proceed to render your project. To do this, click on the Deliver page at the bottom, set your render settings, and click ADD to render queue. Finally, click Start Render to export your cropped video. And that's how you crop a video in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.